Hello, everybody. So, today I wanted to share with you an article that I came across where if you're still using the classic Outlook on your computer, then it may have installed an update and you might not be able to send new emails. And I wanted to show you that article and where they're talking about it and how you can also go and fix it so that if you're having that problem, you can get it fixed on your computer so that you can send those new emails again until they can get a fix put out. Okay, so as you can see, Outlook users may not be able to send emails at the moment. The behavior is caused by a bug that affects Classic Outlook. Specifically, you may see the issue after updating Classic Outlook to version 2412 or build 18,324.20168. Now, Microsoft has a fix for the issue on the way. And you can also mitigate the problem by rolling back Classic Outlook to a previous version. The new Outlook is unaffected by this issue, so only those on Classic Outlook may run into problems. Now, it's not going to be for everybody. It's just if certain things were installed on your computer, certain updates, you're running certain software. So it may not be everybody out there, but I did want to let you know how you can fix it. Now, Microsoft outlines the issue and how to confirm if the bug affects your system in a support document. So, after updating to version 2412 or build 18324.20168, Classic Outlook may crash when starting a new email or when replying or forwarding an email. You can confirm if this is the issue by looking at the Windows Event Viewer application log for Crash Event 1000 or Event 1001 and the following event details: faulting application name, Outlook.exe, version 16.0.18324.20168, timestamp 0x677828DA, faulting module name, Outlook.exe, version 16.0.18324.20168, timestamped 0x677828DA. Exception code 0xC0000005. Fault offset 0x00000001A7C02A. Faulting process ID 0x0xFD0. Faulting application start time 0x0x1DB65D0FD0B9857. Faulting application path C:\\program files /Microsoft Office /root /Office 16 /Outlook.exe, and then faulting module path C:\program files /Microsoft Office /root /Office 16 /Outlook.exe. Now, all of that is what they put on their article, which is a whole lot, but it basically shows you where you can find it in the Microsoft Event Viewer if you needed to look and see if that log showed up in your computer. Now, the fix for this issue will roll out later this month. Microsoft expects to ship a build without the bug on January 28th of 2025. And then the tech giant also shared steps to mitigate the issue immediately by rolling back to a previous version of Classic Outlook. Now, you can do this by just opening up the command prompt in administrator mode, or you can just go to Start button and you can type in command and then you can click on Run as Administrator. You can type or paste the two commands into the command prompt window and press enter after each. So you would go to CD space and then percent program files percent /con files /Microsoft shared click to run office C2R client.exe. And then you would put a space and a / update and then a space user and then a space update to version equals 16.0.18227.20162. Okay, so I wanted to interrupt myself for just a moment because I actually found the Microsoft article where it was talking about all of this, and the commands that were given on the other article were not correct. So I'm going to include a link for both the article and the support document from Microsoft where it shows the correct commands to include. And as you can see on the screen, after you open command prompt as an administrator, you need to run cd space percent program files percent backslash common files backslash Microsoft shared backslash click to run and press enter. Then you would want to run office c2r client.exe space forward slash update space user space update to version equals 16.0.18227.20152. So there were two commands in there, but they just lumped them together in the article. These are the two commands that are correct. But I'll go ahead and pick back up and we'll finish discussing that article so you can get your classic Outlook back up and running for you. Now, I would recommend that you copy that, and I'm going to make it super easy for you. If you'll look down in the video description, I'm going to have that one down there. So all you have to do is copy and paste that. And you can prevent the Office updating back to the latest build by turning off updates by selecting File, Office Account, Update Options, Disable Updates. Now, do put a reminder on your calendar for February 11th, but they also mentioned in here it was going to be the 28th, but you would want to re-enable your updates for the Microsoft Office. Now, you can also check back on it later on to see if that's been updated for us, but I would just think if you go ahead and you turn it back on the 28th, it's going to download that update that Microsoft said they're going to ship it without the bug. So I might just personally wait until the 28th because then you know that your emails are going to be able to send new ones and you're going to be able to forward them and reply to them without any problems. And you're only looking at 2.5 more weeks before that's gonna be out, and that's gonna fix that problem for you. But again, I'm gonna have the commands for the command prompt window that you need to put in down in the video description. All you have to do is copy and then paste it in there and press enter, and then you'll do the same for the second one, and that's going to allow you to get that back to the correct version where you can send emails, reply to emails, and forward emails without getting any errors or it causing Outlook to crash. So I hope that was helpful for you in case you happen to be using the classic Outlook and it's giving you problems where you try to send a new email, reply to an email, or forward an email and it's crashing on you. This would help you to fix it on your computer. If you do have any questions about this or you just need me to go into more depth on it, please let me know down below in the comments and I will do my best to get back to you about it. And if there's a video, topic, article, anything that you would like me to create a video on, please let me know that down below in the comments as well, and I will do my best to create that video for you. And if you found this helpful and you want to support me, if you can, just look down in the video description and I included a link where you can buy me a cup of coffee if you'd like to. And because you all do such a great job. If you can, hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep putting out more great content like how do I fix the Microsoft Classic Outlook that's been crashing and how do I get it back to where it's working until Microsoft can release an update that'll fix that bug. And I will be more than happy to keep putting up all this great content for you all. Thanks so much, everybody. I really appreciate you all. I hope you have a great day. Take care. God bless, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.